All right, hey, what's up, y'all? So every Monday, I want to do a little instructional video on how to make the most of this amazing community network that we have going on here. Which, can I get an amen? Like, this is going to be the greatest thing in the world for us. It's so much better than anything we've tried in the past. But I do want to make sure that you're taking advantage of everything that we have to offer in here. So we are in the month of natural solutions, and so everything that we've done every Friday is now housed in here in our curriculum, including the different resources and recipes and things that we've talked about. So when you come into SuperHumans United, then what we want to do is navigate over to courses, whether you're on your phone or on the computer. I always like to use my computer, but regardless, you're going to go over to Natural Solutions. And the way the Natural Solutions curriculum is set up, when you first come in, you'll notice you're in the activity feed. All right, so that means this is where you can communicate in general with Natural Solutions. Now, if you want to go into the actual courses, click on Table of Contents. If you're on your phone, if I'm not mistaken, you'll hit those three little lines, but you're still within Natural Solutions. So these are the Table of Contents and courses within Natural Solutions. And then within there, you're going to see our sunscreens post, our bug repellents post, and then most recently, we have posted our household cleaners. So we have a little getting started section, a short little video, the different links and resources that we discuss in the video, the different staples, and then once you get down to the bottom of that, you can go on to the next seminar, or you can just choose it from the main menu here. Okay, now when you have a conversation within these different seminars, let's say that I want to have a little conversation within getting started, I can share my thoughts, and that would stay with just this getting started section or post. But then if I go to the main feed of Natural Solutions, then the conversations that I have in that main feed will apply to the whole Natural Solutions course. All right, so let me know if you have any questions on how to access things. Again, this is exclusive information to this community, and we're very, very excited to have all this stuff here and available and accessible for all you guys. All right, we'll talk to you soon.